is so smooth.
Mm-hmm.
You can go barefoot, it doesn't cut you.
Okay.
Other guys, they don't sand it after they've done it. When they step, you feel how rough it is.
Oh.
I've done a job for a lady, she asked me, she says, listen, something's not right with my foot. I walk barefoot,
Mm.
and I could feel how it's sticky.
Mm.
We don't do it that way. We do everything 100% down and we make sure it's smooth.
Okay, good.
Then you have like a selection of different mosaics. You don't have to stick with this blue box. You can go with the pattern that you like. I've actually had a customer that went sky blue with grey mosaics.
Mm.
Not nice, but not my style. We prefer plain sky blue with blue box with patterns.
Okay.
But I've got a range, I think it's about 14 different mosaics that you can choose from.
Mm.
And I only get by one supply now. My other supply doesn't always have stock of one, or he hasn't got stock of this one. Have you got young ones? Small ones?
You what?
Have you
Yeah.
got small ones?
Yeah. 10 years. 14, 10, and 8. And 9, let's say 9.
Have they watched Finding Nemo?
I want to teach them someone to teach them to swim.
I actually know a lady that does
Mm.
swimming courses. I was just